If you have a Mercruiser engine that's hesitating to run in rough, especially under load, today I'm going to show you the first place to look to fix this issue. This particular engine is a 2003 Mercruiser 5.7 liter, but the procedures will be the same for most Mercruiser engines with distributor ignition system. First, find the cap where all your spark plug wires are connected to. In this case, it's this gray cap. It might be a different color, but usually gray, black, white. There should be 2 bolts on either side. Remove these 2 bolts. Next, gently pull the distributor cap up and rotate it so that you can have a look at the underside. Look at the underside of the cap, paying attention to the 8 terminals if it's a V8 engine. You want to check to see if there's any corrosion on these terminals, and also check the condition of the middle carbon button here in orange. As you can see on this cap, there is corrosion. If your terminals have any corrosion, you should buy a new distributor cap and also buy a new rotor and replace it. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. Thank you.